live. Hi. There's no. There's nobody there. Hello, people. Oh, look at those hearts. All of them hearts. Surprise again. So I had this amazing event today. It was a webinar with the Entrepreneurs Organization Indore. Lovely people, fabulous questions, had a wonderful, heartfelt conversation. And then I said, as you know always, "Taiyar to hum ho hi rakhe hain. Let's go live." How are you doing? You good? I'm gonna read all these comments. How do we read? Perfect.
Not telling you.
See, it's not doing on.
Because he's got an Alisa now.
Okay then. What does it say? Hi. Take my name, please. Hi, Babu. Fire. All good. I'm so glad you all are doing well, yeah? I was dying to have some coffee. Do you guys drink a lot of coffee? Your expression, you're saying, naughty. I know, her expression is permanently like this. We should try her like a whole day of saying Alisa. She's got expression 101 and 105, which is very expressive. Are you reading? Rensa, what are they saying? There's so many. Hi, how are you guys? We are fine here. We are fine.
I also want coffee.
Be my guest. Coffee date? Anyone?
Where do you
हाँ मैं करी थोड़ी कर Yeah, I like my coffee to be strong.
I love her name.
Alisa, you like Alisa name? Oh, you like my name? Yeah, my name is a nice name. It means a beautiful smile. Actually, Sushmita has got many meanings. Beautiful eyes, beautiful smile, and a good friend. So, yeah. You know?
I only thought beautiful.
It does, you can move on to another thing. I just think. Anyway, my daughter, this one, doesn't even know her mother's birthday.
Oh, no.
It's a fact, it's a fact.
You're
it's a fact. And
no,
it's
that happened
terrible.
by accident. Okay,
Accident?
1975.
1975, born, she said 1957. मतलब हद होती है of a mistake. I'm her Nanna also now, Mama and Nanna. So 57 more, and then touch years. Then, how are you doing? Visit Pakistan, inshallah. And daughters are pretty and so kind. I agree. My daughters are very pretty and very sweet. And when they're not naughty, they're very nice people, like really nice people. And then everything that I'm saying for them is also true about background. Mr. Romanchal. Actually, listen, guys. I am dying to tell you about Arya. I know that every time I come on, I tell you soon, but since you guys have just bombarded my timeline with wanting to know when, let me just tell you the last schedule is left for Arya, and it's not a very long one, so it should be done very soon, back to soon. But more than soon, what is important is the amount of love and appreciation we've given Arya. When we come back, we can love season 2. है ना? अच्छी चीज़ों के लिए करना पड़ता है ना? And what are you saying? Oh, hello. क्या करना पड़ता है? You?
Why is that
What is that
coming
saying?
to your face? वो छोड़ो. मैं ऐसे कर रहा हूँ, it's coming to my. Why is not coming to your face? अरे यार.
Ah, let's come. Finally. Look, this really suits me. Now you can take it back.
जो आपके पास आया फिर वो वापस नहीं आया.
There you go.
See, it didn't leave you. It didn't leave you.
I'm done.
how do I get rid of this now? Ah! Oh, thank you so much. Okay, now what is it saying? Can I get it? It goes very fast.
You glow like a sun.
Aww. Thank you, Babu.
You are
If you're happy and you know it, glow like a sun. Glow like a sun.
So that's what you know, we clap.
I love you too, yeah. Banini.
looking forward to it.
Thank you, John. Lots of getting
Why are you
ready.
laughing? Sorry, something got me.
Actually, listen, I'm trying to get myself a new playlist of music, and I am not liking very much the playlist that
I have
Renee
helped
Sen
you
and
with-
Alisa
No,
Sen
but
have
I
given
gave
me. No,
such a
I'm
good
saying.
song. I give us such a good
I'm
suggestion.
dancing
to. We don't get beyond one song because you like it and you listen to it all the time. See, I gave Mom a song. I gave Mom a song and Mom was doing this and she liked it. She said she liked it. I played 2 songs she liked. And I played 1 song today.
So you see how quiet and peaceful this house is.
We're very
You say one thing, 5 different versions of it comes out, and no. So coming back, I need some good music. So can you guys please post me some like nice names and DM it gets lost. Okay, so just put it on one of the last. No, the last one. What? Okay, what?
Why don't you like me?
Ah, would you like to do that? Send me some nice music now, Babu. I really
She
need
just
some
said
nice
no
music.
when I was like
And I keep introducing you to such lovely music all the time, so now you owe me. You have to give me good music. Hannah, what are they saying? Just completed Arya season 1. Aww, you just completed, matlab I didn't watch it earlier?
So we watched it.
बड़े
बड़े
अच्छे लगते हैं.
Aww,
Beautiful soul.
thank you, Babu. You guys are just awesome. What kind of music? Yeah, good question. I like French house. I like house music.
My
I like,
singing.
I like some R&B. I don't know. Her singing is the best. No, that there's no comparison only. And the best thing about her singing is that no one else gets to hear it but me. Hannah, so far, it's true. The ring light in your chashmas are looking like two.
Peaches. Oh, someone suggested me the song Peaches.
Isn't nice? But she's an encyclopedia. If you knew about Peaches, why didn't you tell me? It's a nice song. Okay, done. So we check Peaches out. Justin Bieber.
Peaches by Justin. My mom is actually really cool. It's just one song. She's actually cooler than
आपने मुझसे और क्या कहा? I mean that's true.
Mom's cool.
Yeah, पहले समझा के देखा है कि cool बोलते रहना. हर एक sentence के बाद में mom is really cool. You know my mom is so cool. काफी लंबा break हो गया अभी वापस cool बोलो. I can be tech savvy when I want to be tech savvy. Let's see what is she saying. Big fan. Hi Babu. Scars to your beautiful. I know this song. Yeah, that's beautiful. That song is beautiful. That song is beautiful. Beautiful family. Thank you, Shana. Indeed, beautiful family. Come on, say something. No, you're not saying anything only.
I'm like Chandler.
Yeah, Chandler. Chandler is it? Chandler.
His name is Chandler. अरे friends
Achha,
वाला
can we
Chandler.
just read what they're saying? Tell me.
I like your dressing of Arya.
Aww.
Levitating by Dua Lipa. Yeah.
Oh, Dua Lipa I like. I really like Dua Lipa. Really like her. And she sings Dua Lipa very well.
No.
The songs. Yes.
अरे why is this thing?
Change.
So anyway, the good thing is that they had asked me something. Now I forgot what the question was. Tattoo? क्या? कौन सा वाला tattoo जान? बहुत सारे हैं. ये वाला? ये वाला कहता है कि या तो मैं रास्ता ढूंढूंगी या बनाऊंगी. No is not an option. है ना? मतलब thank you sweetie. I'm glad you like it. अच्छा then Wicked Games. Babu, that one is my favorite. Thank you so much, but Wicked Games I already have. That one I love. Love you, Roman.
Thank you. कोई तो बोला.
बाद में आके मिलना बाद में आके. और तू तो अभी आके मिलो अभी. That's it. This is how much of you is going to be shown now.
Before we miss that.
Appreciate
Okay.
by magic.
Babu, again this thing has come to me. Take it.
No, mom, just like. Let me take it. Oh, no, not both of us. I'm the lucky one.
यार आपके पास जो जाता है कैसे वो वापस नहीं आता?
No, just cover your head. Cover your head.
How do you take it out?
Cover your head, really.
It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Babu, you can't leave the frame. There's love coming your way. Proud of you.
Oh, that's
I love you, yeah.
Love from Himachal.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I agree.
You don't.
कब से कह रही हूँ माम तुम लेके चलो नहीं सुनते यार.
What does Roman mean?
What does Roman mean?
The one who's loved by God. Thank you. That's the irony of my
They are
life.
supposed to say that.
Really?
They love you.
Like we are so like.
पूछ रहे हैं बताऊंगा ना.
हाँ.
है ना?
Loved by everyone.
Oh wait, did someone say fight song by?
Oh, fight song is nice. The fight song is also nice. Hey, more music, please. There comes. What?
Sacrifice by.
समझ में नहीं आया उनको क्या बोला उसने कमेंट में.
Sorry, 2 5. Hey, ma'am, please take my name. Risha, did I read that correctly?
You speak Bengali? हाँ मैं बांग्ला बोलते पारी.
আমি একটু বাংলা জানি.
ও বাংলা বলতে পারি তুমি একটু
আমি
নিচে নামো না.
একটু বাংলা বলতে
দেখতে পারা যাচ্ছে না.
আমি একটু বাংলা জানি. তুমি একলা চলো রে.
Actually, that's such a great song. I don't know if you guys know the song, but যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চল. What it means? What it means?
Yeah, it means that when
no
there's
one walks with you, you walk alone.
no, it means when they no.
Yeah.
So when no one is there to hear you, and when no one is there by your side, then don't wait for anyone to come and join you. Just walk by yourself.
That's what I said.
By
No
all
one
means,
walks
keep
with you,
moving.
You walk alone.
Guruji. That was so correct.
But that's exactly.
And just at least say one word in Bengali because you know.
खूब दारुण.
तुम पास हो गए. You're doing okay.
Okay.
Tata, Nanna,
আমি বাংলা একটু একটু বলতে পারি কিন্তু আমি বাংলা সমঝতে পারি
Yeah, right.
আমার বাংলা আরো ভালো আছে।
আচ্ছা
Yeah.
একটু
No,
না
I
ও
think
কিন্তু খুব
someone-
no ও পরিষ্কার বুঝতে পারে. She can understand everything. This one is
I think
Khaw's
someone
bhav.
called Lisha wanted to say.
Alicia.
Lisha.
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 Hi Lisha.
I mean, I already told that today.
Yeah, already know that. Nothing new. 1975, 1957.
So many.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Have you heard? Now, what?
No.
Sorry, please. Such a beautiful family.
खूब
Too,
मिष्टी.
too.
खूब मिष्टी.
Hi.
Hi guys. Have you been all holding up good?
Hi, ma'am.
Huh?
Please, मेरा नाम लो.
फिर मैं सबका नाम ले रही हूँ.
See.
I love you all. सब अपना अपना नाम इमेजिन कर लो. कुछ बहुत सारे हैं. हाँ.
My
So-
name is.
Listen. There's again no agendas in coming live, and as always it's a surprise. And हम ऐसे ही आए थे. ऐसे ही चल जाएंगे. Oh yeah. So today in that wonderful webinar that we had, they said sing a song, and I said sure, and I sang a song. मतलब इसे कहते हैं.
बहुत अच्छा.
और मैंने अच्छा भी
She has a beautiful voice.
ये भी समझाया था पहले लाइफ
No,
में.
no,
सब
no,
समझ
no.
समझ
No,
बूझ के
I'll tell you.
बोलना.
No,
हाँ.
I'm actually very critical of people who sing. So, I am.
गुरुजी धन्य हमारे बाग.
No, but mom actually sings.
You know, so there was a wonderful team of people in the webinar today, and then they said, I'd heard you sing a song, it's a human sign. Sacrifice. Sorry, yeah, I know. I just go straight to the lyrics. So sacrifice by Elton John. And when this one was a little baby, she was one of those babies who cried like a whole night, and you just walk with her the whole night, and then nothing I would do would work except singing Sacrifice into her ears, and then she would just fall asleep.
To say why I would cry, otherwise everyone will think I'm a cranky child. I'm not a cranky child.
But you're not a child only right now. I'm saying when you were a
But I'm
child.
not crying.
How do you know that? You were a small baby.
No, but that means
Because I have flashbacks.
He said I was.
Acha, we are supposed to be going live with them.
Hi.
See now what it says.
What? Sorry.
Oh, I love you, yeah. The truth is, you guys inspire me every day of my life for decades now. To be a better person, to be giving, because that's what you've done for me. You've given.
No.
Not for you, for Mama. Will you marry me?
So I answered on her behalf only, no?
He quickly answered, no. Yeah.
You just got a glimpse of.
What? Glimpse
You
of
said
what?
no.
Ah.
I'm so angry.
Love you too, Janmiri. Love you all.
So shy.
Thank you, sweetheart. Beautiful.
Love you
ladies,
so
comments. Love from Pakistan. Hello, sweeties. Lots of love.
Ramon
Achin.
Achin. Sorry. What? Okay, sorry.
Thank you.
I took it off.
Thank you, sweetheart. Love you 3000 infinity. Actually, the thing we have is we don't put a number to it. We just say love you infinity, because you can't beat that.
Infinity square of pi.
No, you can't. Infinity is infinity.
You have to
can't
be the
square
first
and
one to
pi.
say it.
Oh yeah, this is like a nighttime routine. So every time mom comes to put me to bed, tuck me into bed. So the first one, so we both have to enter the room. The first one to say I love you infinity gets it. But if you by chance
Miss
miss
it.
saying it, then when she comes out, then the first person to say love.
Wins for the night. And I must tell you that I have been winning every single night, because my daughter is not even trying. She's discussing everything under the sun when I'm saying good night to her, except I love you infinity.
No, actually I got
Can I
love
tell you a
love.
hidden talent of mine?
I have a hidden talent?
Yes.
Discovering food.
Oh yeah.
She has
Discovering
best. She discovers the most amazing food in restaurants.
Banana nahi aata na, so I discover it.
बनाना आता है,
Next
बनाते
time,
नहीं.
yeah.
क्योंकि
Oh
आलसी
my
होते
god, she's such an amazing cook.
She's
You know,
a
she
amazing
makes
cook.
say these kind of things.
Her
from
eggs.
Seriously, her eggs.
I'm sorry, what's happening?
Scrambled eggs.
Excuse this.
Where is this conversation going?
It's going to
Scrambled
live
eggs.
to a lot of people. Okay, guys, listen. We better stop this before these chingumingus go all over the place. Just wanted to say, drop in, say hi.
No, but
And-
mom is a very, very good cook.
Yeah,
She
Thank
gives me a very good cook.
Today, everyone's really earning points, and I really like it. You said nothing nice today,
And
Jan.
mama
Maybe you
is
should
just
too.
mean.
No. I
It's
love
so
you
kind
too.
of you.
I love you too. I love you guys so much. Stay happy, stay warm, look after each other, and know that you're very, 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 very loved. Dukkha, Dukkha. Ashi,
Issue.
how do you switch it up?
Cross.
The cross.
The cross.
Okay, and then
And now.